Assalamu alaikum students of class 8. I hope you are doing well. Now today we will do the translation and explanation of unit number 2, Iqbal's message to youth. As we have discussed with the first paragraph, and I have told you the meanings, the difficult meanings. I have discussed with you people the explanation and translation of this unit's first paragraph. Now we are going to discuss, today we will discuss the paragraph number 2. As I have discussed the theme of this unit, that I have told you that Iqbal is giving message to his youth. He is giving message to his youth that the youth has the passion, must have the passion, and the youth is able to do anything in the world because their aims are high, their aims must be high. They should not restrict themselves to only one part of life. For example, if a young person attain a level, achieve a level, so he must not restrict himself to only that level. He must think of going higher and higher, because when the youth is stopped, so the country, the nation is destroyed. Nothing can be developed, nothing can be achieved, because the youth is stopped. And the Iqbal is having so many hopes, and he knew that thing, that only the youth is able to bring a vast change in the society. So going on towards the topic, that is the next paragraph. Young generation is the standard bearers of any nation. Standard bearers, like they are the pillars of any nation. They are the pillars. For example, there is a roof. So the roof is standing by the help of the pillars, and they are the pillars. When the pillars are not strong, so how can the roof stand alone? Can it stand in the air? No, it cannot. So the pillars must be strong. Whenever we are teaching, we said the base must be strong. When your base is not strong, when you don't know the base of anything, so you will not be able to do those things in the future easily. You will face so many hardships when you will be doing it. Maybe you will not understand it easily. When you are at young age, you can do anything because you are passionate. Your passion is high. You strive towards to achieve your desired goal, and you are aiming for higher and higher. So they are the standard bearer. They are the pillars of the nation. They are the support of the nation. They are the people who will bring change in the nation. If their energy is channelized in proper direction, if their energy is utilized, when their energy is utilized in proper direction, in proper way, in an appropriate way, so it can bring change in the social, political, economic fabric of the nation. They can lead the Muslims, or they can lead the people out of their troubles. It can bring change. The youth can bring a vast change in the social. It means in the whole society, in the fabric of, in the situation of the nation. It can bring a huge change in the situation of the people, of the nation. So for them, they are the people who will bring the change. For example, when the youth is when their energy is not utilizing in a proper way, in a not proper way, what it means, for example, they are wasting their time. They are utilizing their whole energy in spending their whole time in front of the social media and using social media. They are just wasting their time. That is the wastage, because they are the people who will bring change. See, so many in the nations, if you see on the TV, that the youth, that the younger people of the nations are coming in front of the screens, and they say she has done this, he have done this. So what the people feel, when the people feel proud, when their youth is participating, when their youth is struggling towards the development and progress of the whole nation and of the country. So, and the youth is capable of doing the thing, because an old person can give you, can help you in order to share his experiences. Just he can only share his experiences, he can just give you an idea, but you are the person who will utilize it, and you are the person who will make it in a proper, who will make it, who will make a way for those things. You are the person who will make people out of the trouble. You are the person, because whenever you are in the school, so it is taught to you that you have to make people out of their troubles. What you will do for your nation, that is not only the aim that you will grow older and you will start earning money for your parents and for your siblings and that's it. No, that is not the aim of the life. Your aims must be very high, very high. And Iqbal, it was the belief of Iqbal that the youth can bring the change in the whole nation, in the situation of the nation. Keeping this view in mind, Iqbal focused on the creative energy of the youth in his poetry. Even in his poetry, he wrote so many verses on the youth, that the youth are not the people that are who are restricted to only one place, and when they achieve or attain one thing, so they are satisfied with it. No, he says that the youth is someone who wanted to go higher, even from the stars, who intend and who have the passion and desire to touch the stars or sky. So he wrote here, he have written a very good verse, मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है सितारों पर जो डालते हैं कमन. So he says, like, he loved the youth, he loved the young people who wanted to touch the sky, who wanted to touch the stars, who wanted to attain the star, achieve the stars. So what does a meaning of to achieving the star? Like to go more higher and higher. Now these are some words meanings of this paragraph, which are the difficult ones. You can highlight them and you can write the meaning over it. Remember this thing, this unit is little bit difficult for you people, because the translation is bit difficult, but you have to write the meaning of the difficult words, right? And then you will be able to translate it in the sequence. Young, Naujawan, generation, Nasl, standard bearers, अलम्बरदार, energy, कुव्वत, channelize, रास्ते पर लगाया जाए, direction, सिमत, sea change, बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली, focused, तवज्जो दी, creative, तख्लीकी. You can take the screenshot of it as well, so you will be able to write the meanings. Now let me translate it in the Urdu. A young generation is the standard bearer of any nation. Young generation is the standard bearers of any nation. नौजवान नस्ल is the standard bearer, अलम्बरदार होती है, of any nation, किसी भी कौम की. नौजवान नस्ल किसी भी कौम की अलम्बरदार होती है. If their energy is channelized in proper direction, अगर उनकी ताकत को सही रास्ते में, या यू कैन से सही सिमत में लगाया जाए, सही रास्ते में लगाया जाए, it can bring a sea change in the social, तो वो एक बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकता है, तो वो बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकता है किसमें? इन द सोशल, माशरती, पॉलिटिकल, सियासी एंड इकनॉमिक फैब्रिक ऑफ द नेशन, और माशी साख्त में. नाउ आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस लाइन. अगर उनकी ताकत को सही रास्ते में लगाया जाए तो ये कौम की माशरती या समाजी, सियासी और माशी साख्त में बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकता है. ठीक है, या ला सकती है, ठीक है, बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकती है. कौन? नौजवान नस्ल की बात हो रही है. کیپنگ دس ویو ان مائنڈ، اس خیال کو مد نظر ذہن میں رکھتے ہوئے، کیپنگ دس ویو ان مائنڈ، اس خیال کو مد نظر ان مائنڈ، ٹھیک ہے، مد نظر رکھتے ہوئے، مد نظر ذہن میں رکھتے ہوئے، اس خیال کو مد نظر یا ذہن میں، اس خیال کو ذہن میں رکھتے ہوئے، بوتھ آر کریکٹ، اوکے، رکھتے ہوئے اقبال فوکسڈ آن دا کریٹو انرجی آف دا یوتھ ان ہز پوئٹری، اقبال نے توجہ دی آن دا کریٹو انرجی، تخلیقی قوت پر، آف دا یوتھ، نوجوانوں کی، ان ہز پوئٹری، اپنی شاعری میں، اقبال نے اپنی شاعری میں نوجوانوں کی تخلیقی قوت پر توجہ دی، اس خیال کو مد نظر رکھتے ہوئے اقبال نے اپنی شاعری میں نوجوانوں کی تخلیقی قوت پر توجہ دی. Now moving towards the next paragraph, I hope this one is clear to you. Iqbal's نوجوان is مرد مومن، مجاہد، شاہین، an explorer, an adventurer and seer whose aim is going higher and deeper like eagle, شاہین. See, اقبال's نوجوان، اقبال کا جو نوجوان ہے نا، that is مرد مومن. مرد مومن like he is the person who will never lose his heart, who will never stop, who have the ability, who is very strong person, mujahid, who is the fighter, who is the warrior, shaheen, he have the quality of eagles, eagle, an explorer. He is not a person who will sit by hand to hand, and he wanted to explore the world, to know the secrets of the world. What is the secret of the world, of the universe? An adventurer. He is the adventurer. He is not satisfied whatever is in front of him. He is adventurer. He wanted to go on adventures. Adventures means he loved the hurdles. He faced the challenges. He accepts the challenges. He is not the person who runs from the difficulties and hardships. He is the warrior, and he accepts the challenges of the situation. He wanted to fight on any cause, and seer, and whose vision is not limited, who have a very vast vision, who is thinking more and more from a common man, whose aim is going higher and deeper like eagle, whose aim is to go higher and deeper. Deeper means to know the secrets, wanted to know the secrets, to explore new world in uncharted waters of creativity, to explore new world. See, Columbus discovers America as he was the tourist. So Iqbal's youth is the explorer, and they wanted to explore the new world. New world, what does new world means? They will explore a Mars or Jupiter? No, explore the new worlds. They will come to know what is going on in the world, and what can we do new, something very new, which have never ever done before it. So he knows the uncharted waters of creativity. Uncharted waters, the things which are not created before, and the things which are hidden somewhere in the layers of the world, which are hidden, and they have to find out that hidden things, that hidden secrets of the world. And for this purpose we have sent to the world, because our Allah Pak has given us the order that we have to explore the world. We should وہ ہے نا آیت جس میں ہم پڑھتے ہیں کہ دنیا کی نعمتوں کو ہم نے جاننا ہے، اینڈ وی ہیو ٹو فائنڈ، تلاش کرنا ہے ہم نے، اور دانش مندوں کے لیے، عقل مندوں کے لیے جو ہے وہ اشارہ ہے. اللہ پاک has given us nothing in free. We have to find, we have to seek, we have to struggle for it. Even a bird, آپ ایک پرندے کو بھی دیکھتے ہیں نا، وہ اسٹرگل کرتا ہے، سب کچھ ایسے ہی نہیں مل جاتا. فرسٹ اسپیرو وہ جاتی ہے، تنکا تنکا جوڑتی ہے، دین شی میڈ اے نیسٹ، then she makes a nest, she finds, even the animals finds their food. So he said that the مرد مومن, the نوجوان of Iqbal is born to reveal the truth of the universe, to discover the hidden realities. ہڈن ریالٹیز کیا ہیں؟ سائنٹسٹ نے ایٹم ڈسکور کیا، انڈرسٹینڈ، اس نے پتہ لگایا کہ یہ صرف یہ نہیں کہ باڈی ہے بس ہمارے سامنے، اچھا جسم میں سیلز ہیں، ٹیشوز ہیں، ہڈن ریالٹیز ہیں نا، کہ کامن مین کو پتہ ہے کہ ٹیشوز ہیں، سیلز ہیں. کامن مین کو تو بس پتہ ہے لنگس ہے، ہارٹ ہے، کڈنی ہے، بس. وہ ایک سیل کس طرح سے ورکنگ کرتا ہے، یو ول کم ٹو نو ان یور بایو وین یو ول لرن بایو ہاؤ دا سیلز ورک. سو دوز آر دا ہڈن ریالٹیز. ٹھیک ہے نا. سو دا ہڈن رینبو کیسے بنا بھائی؟ اب آپ لوگ گھر پہ بھی ایکسپیریمنٹ کر لیتے ہو ریفلیکشن کا. سو دیٹ از اے ہڈن ریالٹیز ہی ہے نا. So the Iqbal youth is able to know, to reveal the hidden realities. Uncharted waters مطلب secrets جو ہیں in the layers of، ٹھیک ہے نا، ایک layers میں جو چیز چھپی ہوئی ہے تو اس کے اندر کیا ہے. and dynamic energy an intellectual pursuit جو عقل کی باتیں ہیں. Now, let me first tell you the meanings of up to here, okay? Explorer, تلاش کرنے والا. Adventurer, جان باز. And I have told you warrior, fighter. Seer, صاحب بصیرت. Seer who can see vast, who has a very wide vision. Aim, مقصد. Higher, اونچائیاں، ٹھیک ہے، اونچائیوں بھی ہو سکتے. Deeper, گہرائیوں. Uncharted waters, نامعلوم رازوں. انٹلیکچوئل پرسیوٹ، عقلی تلاش. اقبال نوجوان از مرد مومن. اقبال کا نوجوان مرد مومن، مجاہد، شاہین. این ایکسپلورر، کھوج لگانے والا. این ایڈونچرر، جان باز. اور این سیئر، اور صاحب بصیرت ہے. whose aim is going higher and deeper like eagle, جس کا مقصد is going higher، جانا ہے کیا، اونچائیوں اور گہرائیوں میں. کس کی طرح؟ شاہین کی طرح. کس کی طرح؟ شاہین کی طرح. now repeating again، اقبال کا نوجوان مرد مومن، مجاہد، شاہین، کھوج لگانے والا، جان باز اور صاحب بصیرت ہے، جس کا مقصد شاہین کی طرح اونچائیوں اور گہرائیوں میں جانا ہے. ٹو ایکسپلور نیو ورلڈ ان انچارٹڈ واٹرز، کہ وہ تلاش کرے. کہ وہ کیا کرے؟ ٹو ایکسپلور، کہ وہ تلاش کرے. نیو ورلڈ، نئی دنیا. ان انچارٹڈ واٹرز آف کریٹیوٹی، کہ وہ تخلیقی صلاحیت. آف کریٹیوٹی جو آپ تخلیق کرنا، ٹھیک ہے نا. انچارٹڈ واٹر نامعلوم رازوں. نامعلوم رازوں. New world in uncharted waters of creativity and intellectual pursuit. اور عقلی جستجو. کریٹیوٹی تخلیقی صلاحیت اینڈ انٹلیکچوئل پرسیو اور عقلی تلاش. عقلی تلاش یا عقلی جستجو آپ کہہ سکتے ہیں. ناؤ آئی ایم ریپیٹنگ دس لائن. آپ دوبارہ سے دیکھ لیں اس کو. تاکہ وہ یا ٹو ایکسپلور کہ وہ تلاش کرے تخلیقی صلاحیت اور عقلی تلاش کے نامعلوم رازوں میں ایک نئی دنیا. ٹھیک ہے، یا آپ اسے یوں بھی کہہ سکتے ہیں تاکہ وہ تخلیقی صلاحیت اور عقلی تلاش کے نامعلوم رازوں میں ایک نئی دنیا تلاش کرے. میں اس لائن کو دوبارہ سے شروع سے ریپیٹ کر رہی ہوں. اقبال نوجوان از مرد مومن. اقبال کا نوجوان مرد مومن، مجاہد، شاہین، کھوج لگانے والا، ایک جان باز اور صاحب بصیرت ہے. whose aim is going higher. جس کا مقصد شاہین کی طرح اونچائیوں اور گہرائیوں میں جانا ہے، تاکہ وہ تخلیقی صلاحیت اور عقلی جستجو کے نامعلوم رازوں میں ایک نئی دنیا تلاش کرے. کریٹیوٹی تخلیقی صلاحیت، انٹلیکچوئل پرسیوٹ عقلی جستجو میں ایک نئی دنیا جو کہ کیا ہے، نامعلوم رازوں میں ایک نئی دنیا کو ٹو ایکسپلور تلاش کرے. دا یوتھ آف اقبال is a strong believer in ishq, a creative and dynamic energy that helps the youth to discover and subdue new stars of originality and individuality. The youth of Iqbal is a strong believer in ishq. Ishq, what is ishq? Ishq is a passion. Ishq is not something that you people are imagining nowadays, that what is teaching what is telling us in the TV and television. That is not ishq. Ishq is something when you are passionate towards. For example, I love poetry, right? I love poetry, I love literature. So what is my ishq towards it? My ishq towards it is when I read so many poetry and I try to and I serve my day and night in writing only one verse to make a very good verse. That is my passion, that I wanted to write something that is very new, that is very creative, that can even change the mind of a person when he will read that poetry. So the Iqbal's youth is the strong believer of ishq, a creative and dynamic energy. Creative, when you create something. See, when somebody make a painting or something, we appreciate that student so much, because that is his creativity. That is something come into his mind or something, and he has taken idea from somewhere, and then he created by himself, herself. So that is the creative and dynamic energy, which is not constant energy. For example, I have started a work with a energy. When we start the work with the energy is low, but when the time is increasing, the energy is increasing. Sometimes even when you are getting older, so in the young age your energy is at very high level, but when you get old, your energy become the level of your energy become less or down. So dynamic energy, which is changing time to time, the level of energy changes from the last time, from the previous time. Sometimes we said to our student, your energy is not like that as at the day of the first day. So the energy is dynamic of the youth, that helps the youth to discover and subdue new stars of originality and will. That energy helps the youth to discover, to discover and subdue, to discover and to know and to make know their selves new stars of new stars mean new discoveries, new knowledge, new information. When he works, when the youth, when the young generation works from this level of energy, from that passionate level of energy, so they furthermore discover new and new things. They do innovations. They are not restricted themselves to one place. They do, for example, first they discover atom, then they discover protons and neutrons and electrons. Even they are more minute than the atom, but their discovery did not stop to one place. Then even they discover the proton is positive and the electron is negative and the neutron is neutral. See, like, their discoveries never stop. Even until today, till today, nothing has stopped. They are still working on the atom. They are still working on the structure of the atom. They are saying no, that the structure which was shared, that was wrong. Still people are discovering the new and new things. That is the young generation. People like me and you, they are sitting and they are finding the new ideas, and they discover the things. They come to know, no, I can do this and that. I can do this thing in this way and that thing in that way. So he says, what does he means? Strong believer, मजबूत यकीन रखने वाला. You can take the screenshot. Dynamic, मुतहरिक जो वेरिएबल होती है, जो चीज़ जो चेंज होती है, ठीक है. ओरिजिनलिटी, तख्लीकियत. इंडिविजुअलिटी, अनफरादियत. डिस्कवर, दरियाफ्त. सबड्यू, तस्खीर. Now I am going to translate these two lines. The youth of Iqbal is a strong believer of इश्क. इकबाल का नौजवान, the youth of Iqbal is strong believer of इश्क. इकबाल का नौजवान इश्क पर मजबूत यकीन रखने वाला है. इकबाल का नौजवान इश्क पर मजबूत यकीन रखने वाला है. इश्क इज़ व्हाट? पैशन, ठीक है. इश्क इज़ अ पैशन. अ क्रिएटिव एंड डायनामिक एनर्जी, एक तख्लीकी और मुतहरिक क़ुव्वत. डायनामिक एनर्जी, मुतहरिक क़ुव्वत. दैट हेल्प्स द यूथ, जो मदद करती है. दैट हेल्प्स द यूथ, जो कि मदद करती है नौजवान की. टू डिस्कवर, कि वो दरियाफ्त करे. एंड सबड्यू, और उसे तस्खीर करे, ठीक है. सबड्यू मतलब फ़तह पा ले, ठीक है ना. किसी चीज़ पर फ़तह कर लेना, सबड्यू कर लेना, किसी चीज़ को ओवरकम कर लेना, जान लेना किसी चीज़ को. एंड सबड्यू न्यू स्टार्स ऑफ ओरिजिनलिटी एंड इंडिविजुअलिटी. एंड सबड्यू न्यू स्टार्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअलिटी, ठीक है. व्हाट डज़ इट मीन? ओरिजिनलिटी एंड तख्लीकियत और अनफरादियत. ओरिजिनलिटी, तख्लीकियत एंड इंडिविजुअलिटी, अनफरादियत. नाउ व्हाट डज़ इट मीन? इकबाल का नौजवान इश्क पर, द यूथ ऑफ इकबाल, ओके, इश्क पर मजबूत यकीन रखने वाला है. एक तख्लीकी और मुतहरिक क़ुव्वत है जो कि नौजवान की मदद करती है कि वो तख्लीकियत, ओरिजिनलिटी और अनफरादियत की, इंडिविजुअलिटी, ठीक है, अनफरादियत की नई दुनिया या नए जहानों. न्यू स्टार्स, नई दुनिया, ठीक है ना. नई दुनिया, नए जहानों को दरियाफ्त करे. टू डिस्कवर, और उसे तस्खीर कर ले या उस पर फ़तह पा ले. और टू सबड्यू, ठीक है. तो अब वो इकबाल यही कह रहे हैं कि इकबाल जो है, इकबाल का जो नौजवान है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर है इन इश्क, क्योंकि उसकी जो एनर्जी है इट इज़ इंक्रीजेस डे बाय डे एंड इट प्रोन टूवर्ड्स टू know things, to know new things, to discover new things. They are not restricted to one place because their passion is to achieve high. Thank you so much, girls. We will continue our lecture from here, inshallah. These are the words meaning. You can take the screenshot of it. Now you have to do the question number 1 from June task in English notebook. What is the question number 1? That is, read the following passage carefully and answer the questions given below, page number 13. That paragraph is given, the first paragraph which is given on page number 14. You have to answer from here. Question number 1 is, what inspired millions of Muslims to wake up? What inspired? What thing inspired? Now you can see the paragraph and you can answer it, okay? In 3 to 4 lines or 2 to 3 lines. Write English meaning of the word destiny. You have to write the meaning of the word destiny and you have to make the sentence of the word destiny, okay? Not the meaning of it. You will not make the sentence of the meaning, you will make the sentence of the word destiny. The third part of it is, give suitable title to the paragraph. You have to give the title to that paragraph. Now you can give the title from your own. For example, the Iqbal's message can be titled, and you can the inspiration of Muslims, you can even give this hue. So you can make so many titles by your own by reading that specific paragraph. Thank you so much, class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe at home.